open the Power BI. Let's go and search Power BI. Yeah, so it's going to launch. So before that, I'll just go and close the file which is there in our data. So I'll close it. Then we already in Power BI, so let us extract the the data which we wanted to support, because if you want to check, like the starting point was blank report. I selected here, and here we have import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server, paste data in a blank table, use sample data. Like there are various ways where we can get the data for Power BI for our dashboard creation. So here you can see like get data. There are Excel workbook, Power BI magnetic model, data flow, data was SQL, analysis, text, CSV format, web, data, blank. Like see, there are various. Like we have another few example like IBM database, IBM Infomex, right? So MySQL database. So there are various ways we can get the data for our dashboard creation. So here we have a database, Microsoft Fabric, Platform, Azure, online services, others.